Hey creators, do you want to turn your creativity into income? Share your work, receive donations, sell memberships, publish paid posts, and even interact directly with your fans, all from one place. Tevi has everything you need to start earning from doing what you love. It's fast, simple, free, and it keeps all of your amazing supporters together in one place. You'll get paid directly into your own Payoneer or Stripe account. Payments arrive quickly with no waiting for payouts, and small fee applies to donations. So why not start building your community and earning from your creativity on Tevi? My name is Nolan, and I'll give you a quick tour of Tevi. I'll show you how to create your space, set up payments, customize your profile, and share it with all of your fans. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be ready to start receiving donations in no time, and the first thing you need to do is to create your space. Open the Tevi app to get started. You can sign in or sign up using Apple, Google, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, TikTok, or Line. After signing in, you'll be asked to set up your basic profile. Add a profile picture, enter your space name, enter your date of birth, and choose a username you like. Your username will become the link to your space, where fans can find and follow you. Once you complete the registration and sign in, you'll be taken to the Tevi homepage. From here you can access your space by clicking the My Space button. In the center of the screen, you'll see key information about your space, including your follower count, number of posts, and earnings. This dashboard helps you track your activity and the growth of your community on Tevi. The next step is to set up your payment method so you can start receiving support from your fans. Open the menu in the top corner of the app, then go to Withdraw. Here, you'll find the Payout Method section, where you can choose how you'd like to receive your earnings. First, select your billing country based on where you live. Then choose the payment account you'd like to use to receive your income from Tevi. Once this is set up, any donations or earnings you receive from your supporters can be transferred directly to your selected account. The setup only takes a few minutes, and after that, you'll be ready to start earning from your community. Next, customize your profile to complete your space, and make a stronger first impression on fans when they visit. To get started, go to My Space and select Custom Profile. Here, you can upload a thumbnail for your space, change your profile picture, edit your space name, update your username, and revise the default. About section to introduce yourself and share more about the content you create. You can also add tag categories to make your content easier to discover. For example, I would choose categories for my space such as entertainment, talk shows, and podcasts. Next, I would add social links so fans can connect with me on other platforms. If you'd like, you can also enable My Income Plus to display your total earnings, helping fans see your growth journey and better understand the support you're receiving from your community. These settings will make your space feel more complete, more distinctive, and more ready to connect with your fan community. Once your profile is set up, the next step is to share your space so more people can discover it. From the My Space page, you'll see your space link along with the share icon. Simply tap it to copy your space link or share it directly to your social media platforms. We also encourage you to add your space link to the bio section of Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or any other platform where your community is active, so fans can easily find you and follow your content on Tevi. Now remember, don't overthink it. All you need to do for now is let your fans know that you've created a simple way for them to follow and support you on Tevi. As your community continues to grow, you can also explore more monetization features on Tevi to expand the ways you connect with fans and receive their support. If you'd like to learn more about Tevi's features or need help during the setup process, feel free to message us anytime. The Tevi team is always here to support you and answer any questions you may have. And that's it. You're now ready to share your space, post content, and start receiving support from your community on Tevi.